Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you my today's live trade and also I'll be telling you how I was able to make profit today. I'll be showing you my trade logic and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. So guys, as right now I'm short selling M&M in the market level now around 1256. So I just short sold now in the market level. So let's see how the stock will perform. So as the stock has given a breakout on some of its support level, I have decided to go short selling here. So based on my strategy and based on my unique study, I have found out that this stock has given a breakout on the support side. So that's why I'm expecting it to uh, go down a bit today, but not a full day downtrend, but at least like a 0.5 to 1% from here it can go down is what my view is. So I'm planning to take the target up to like 5 or 6 points. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform. So right now it's trading around 1257, so short sold around 1256 somewhere. Okay, and the opening price for today was around 1269.95, and you can see from there it has come down and the low made as of now is around 1256.35. So let's see how the stock will perform. So as I said, you will be keeping the target up to like 5 or 6 points according to the market movement. And market today is in a bullish side. Yes, the market is 0.46% up. It was a gap up opening because previous day, that is yesterday, the market closed in a very bearish way. So that's why it's a bit of a push and it's a bit of a gap up opening. So let's see if the market can continue to go up or how. So yes, the new low has been made now, 1255. Okay, so the stock is coming towards short selling side here, if you guys can see. Okay, so let's wait for the target. Okay, let's see if it can touch 1250 or somewhere, and I'll just take the exit and I'll update you guys about the trade. So 1255.60, 1255 is a new low what it has made. Okay, and also guys, to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you need to have a good trading setup. Okay, you need to have a good trading strategy, you need to follow a good methods to make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course I teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the live market guidance as well. Okay, and as you guys are seeing, we don't trade anything with the indicators, so we trade without indicators. So I'll teach you all these unique skills and strategies which are very simple. Just by spending 15 to 20 minutes per day, you can execute one profitable trade. Okay, so I'll be teaching you all this method, and also the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what you spend for eating your favorite snack or a fast food in a month. And also once you join us, you'll be getting live market support as well. You can go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trades. So all these trades what I will taking, you will be getting all those updates once you join us. Okay, and guys, now we are back to the trade, and as you guys can see, the stock is now trading around 1255 levels. So let's see if it can give that breakout on the sell side of 1255. That's the new low what it has made. So once it gives a breakout around 1255, I think I can expect some of the fast movement to happen. So it can touch around 1250 is what my view is. So let's see. So yes, 1254 now. So we are almost getting closer to the target here, if you guys can see. 1254 is a new low what it has made as of now. So yes, let's see, 1253 now, 1253.15. So guys, yes, we are getting closer to the target. I think I'll just take the exit now and I'll update you about the trade. So until that, you can continue to see the live trade now. And yes, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading and want to learn the concept which are working in intraday trading, which are very simple and accurate, you can join us today. You can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me, and I'll be guiding you guys personally until you understand everything. Okay, even in the live market I'll be guiding you personally. Okay, so 1253 still trading around there. So 1252 now. So I'll just take the exit now. We are almost close to, yes, 1250 has been touched. So guys, yes, as you guys saw, the stock made a low of 1250.60 almost. So I just took my exit around 6 points. So this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of M&M. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.